In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. From my experience, testing iPhones and other smartphones almost every day, operating app permissions is super important to be aware which apps require access to important features, like your location. So today I will show you exactly how to manage it on this iPhone. Firstly, to go into Permission Manager, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on Privacy and Security section. Now let's start with the obvious one, which is Location Services. Click here and make sure the switcher at the top is green to access all of those apps that want to access your location or all of those features, like Siri. Tap on the chosen one to manage it and pick one of those options. Never, ask next time or when I share, or while using the app. I will go with never, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my camera no longer has access to my device's location. When you've finished managing all of those, go back. Then tap on Tracking over here and use this switcher next to Allow Apps to request to track, to switch it off, or turn it on. Additionally, if any apps will require tracking, you will see them here. To allow or deny access, use the same switcher right next to the chosen ones. Then go back again and scroll down. Now it's time to tap on one of those apps. If any of them require access to any important feature, this is where you can manage it. You can also scroll and manage permissions the other way around, starting with a feature. Let's tap on Focus here and operate this switcher to deny or allow access, in this case, Messages app. When you go back this time, I can give you additional tip. After managing all of your permissions, if you're having issues with seeing an annoying pop-up every time you connect anything with a cable, wired accessory, you can fix it from the same settings. Let me explain. Scroll all the way down. Click on Wired Accessories over here in Security section. And tap on Always Allow or Automatically Allow when unlocked to never see this pop-up again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!